Real G here, and today we're shaving in a snowstorm. I have been growing this one a long time, keeping warm, and today I'm shaving it off in this snowstorm. Ow! Oh my goodness. It is really coming down today. Inches. Probably close to 6 inches of snow. Nice, fluffy, beautiful snow. Should I leave the stash? I have to wear my gloves for this one. But the scarf would have gotten in the way. It has been a long, long time growing this one. Here goes this mustache now. It's really snowing behind me here. We love the snow. We love the cold. You seen my mountain mustache shave? Go check that one out. Okay, I should be just about done here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Watch my other videos and enjoy them. And if you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments. And that's all for now. Real G in a snowstorm. Crazy beard shaving in a snowstorm. Look how deep the snow is. Look at all that hair in there. How's my head? Have I got a ton of snow on there? Probably. Woo! Little chilly.